In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually check for updates on the DuckDuckGo web browser. Keeping your browser up to date is one of the simplest ways to stay secure, squash bugs, and get the latest privacy features. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confirm your version and update with confidence. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet since the browser needs to reach the update server to compare versions. If you keep a lot of tabs open, it's a good idea to save anything important now, just in case the update asks you to restart the app. Once the browser is open, look to the upper right corner for the main menu. You're looking for the icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. On some devices or builds, this icon might look like 3 dots or a small gear, but it will be in that same general area on the right side. Click it to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where you'll find most of the controls for how the browser behaves. If the screen looks busy, don't worry. Settings pages can be long, but you won't need to change anything else. You're heading to a section that simply shows details about your app. Inside Settings, look for About. The About page is the place that displays your current version number and legal information. It's also where the manual update control usually lives. Open the About section and give it a second to load, especially if you haven't visited it before. Now, click Check for Update. The browser will quickly compare your installed version with the latest available. If you're up to date, you'll see a confirmation and you're all set. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to download or install it. Follow the on-screen instructions and be ready for the browser to restart to complete the process. If your device is low on battery, plug in before you begin so the update doesn't pause. A couple of quick tips. If the check for update button is grayed out or nothing happens, make sure your internet connection is stable and try again. And if you don't see the option at all, your installation might handle updates automatically in the background, which means you're likely already current. That's it. By opening the browser, using the menu on the right, going into Settings, opening About, and selecting Check for Update, you've confirmed your DuckDuckGo browser is running the latest version. Consider revisiting this page every so often to stay protected and enjoy the newest features.